You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. This is several things, but mainly known for being a brand name, the name of a magazine as well. In German, the pronunciation is as Stirn. Now, in English, the British English pronunciation is as Stern. Stern. American English pronunciation, the way it's said in the in the United States, Stern. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.